Good morning, students. Exercise 12.2 continuation. Seventh sum is omitted in your syllabus for this year. So, eighth sum. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter by means of a 5-meter long rope. See figure, that is 12.2. A horse is tied. That length of the grass field is 15 meter and this length of the rope is 5 meter. First subdivision, the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second subdivision, the increase in the graze area if rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter long. So first subdivision, they are asking you to find the area which the horse can graze. Second one, they are changing the length of the rope from 5 meter to 10 meter. In that case, what will be the area of the grazing portion? So what are the informations given? It is given for first subdivisions, it is given radius is 5 centimeter and it is given it as a square shape field. So theta angle is equal to 90 degree. In this case, the length of the rope is nothing but radius of the circle, radius of the quadrant or circle, whatever it is there. It is given 15 meter, the square. Under that, the length of the rope is 5 meter. It is for first case, this line. For this angle is 90 degrees since it is a square. So, first subdivision solution. Area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. In this case, theta is 90. So, 90 by 360 here into pi value 3.14. It is given in the question, use pi as 3.14. So I am writing 3.14 into radius for this first one, given radius r is 5. So 5 into 5. When I am simplifying, here 90, 360 4 times. So multiply all these value, 3.14 into 5 into 5, you will get 78.5 divided by 4. So final answer is 19. When I am dividing this, 19.625 meters square. This is the area of the horse can graze for the radius 5 centimeter. Second case, it is given the radius is 10 meter. Radius has changed from 5 meter to 10 meter. So for the second subdivision, radius is 10 meter. Again, this is the square only. That is what the region start from here to 5 means that I have taken here for 10. So here radius is 10 meter, theta is 90 degree. So area of the sector is equal to same formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360 into 3.14 into radius for the second subdivision is 10. So 10 into 10. So when I'm cancelling here 4 times, just multiply this, you will get 314 by 4. Answer is 78.5 meters square. So they are asking you to in second subdivision, what is the increase in the grazing area? So increasing in the grazing area is nothing but second region. This increased in this 11 second region minus first. So 78.5 minus 19.625. So what is the area increased is 58.875 meters square is the increased region of the horse can graze. Ninth sum. A brooch is made of silver wire is in the form of circle with a diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters when divided the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. So what is given? One circle. Under that it is divided with brooches. It is made in the form of silver wire. The diameter of this circle is 35 mm. How many diameters are there? You can count. It is divided into 10 equal sectors. So each and every sector. So 5 diameters are there. That is what divided into 10 sectors. That is what a diameter is given as 35 mm. The wire is used making 5 diameters. So this is 5 diameter divided with 10 equal sectors. First subdivision, the total length of the wire required. So what is the length of the wire required to make a circle and to make all the 5 diameters? We have to find. That is what first subdivision. Second one, the area of each sector of the brooches. What is the area covered by each sector? That each segment, what is the area covered? So I have drawn that diagram, circle with a 5 diameter. So each and every one is the small sectors. 10 sectors are there in this. Give given diameter is given as 35 mm. So what will be radius? Our radius is equal to 35 by 2 mm, and it is divided into 5 diameters, that is 10 equal sectors. So 5 diameters are there. First one, they are asking you to find the length of the silver wire. To calculate the length of the silver wire, first I am going to find the circumference of the circle. Therefore, circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7. R value is 35 by 2. So, I am substituting 35 by 2. This is 7 and 35 5s are. This 2 and 2 I can cancel. Now, 22 into 5 is the remaining. So, 110 mm. This is a circumference, only boundary of the circle. Now, I am going to find for diameters. Length of one diameter is given as, in the question itself given 35. So, here 5 diameters are there. Therefore, length of 5 diameters is equal to 5 into 35. 175 mm. Now what is the total length of the wire to make this circumference as well as the diameters I have to add. Therefore, total length of the silver wire is equal to 110 plus 175. So when I am adding 285 mm, that is what the total length of the wire used. And in this case, it is given, it is divided into 10 sectors. So what is the angle made by the each sector? Each sector angle is 360 by 10, which is equal to 36 degree. Now, area of the sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So, theta value here for each and every sector angle is, for each and every sector angle is 36. So, 36 into 10, you will get 360 degree. So, theta is 36 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius is 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Now, which are the terms I can cancel? This I can cancel 10, and then this 10 and this 22 I can cancel 2 and 11. Then this 2 I cannot cancel, no 2's are there. This is 7 and 35 I can cancel, and this 7 and 35 I can cancel. This 10 and 5 I am cancelling. So what are the terms? Rest of the terms are there, means 11 into 7 into 5. In the denominator, this 2 into 2 is there. So 385 by 4, when I am simplifying, 96.25 mm square. Therefore, area of each sector is 96.25 mm square, millimeter square. As it is a silver wire, they have given in terms of millimeter. 10th sum. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. See figure 12.13. This is umbrella. Each and every one is ribs. When I am opening and making it a circle, it will looks like this. It has 8 ribs. So 4 diameters are there. Assuming umbrella to be flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. Assuming that it is a flat surface with radius is 45. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. What is the area of the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella? They are asking you to find. So what are the informations given is, radius is given as 45 centimeter and the umbrella has 8 ribs, it is given for you. So what is the angle for each sector? What is the angle for each? Angle of each sector is equal to, it is divided with 8 ribs, so 360 by 8, 45 degree. So what is the angle made by this ribs is 45. Area of the sector is equal to, we have the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. What is the theta value? We have calculated, it has 8 ribs, so 45. Substitute 45 by 360 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius is given as 45 into 45. Now 45 and 360, 8s are I can cancel. This 8 and 22 I am cancelling. Here it is 4 times, 11 times. And I can't able to cancel any of the terms. So 11 into 45 into 41 divide by 4 into 7. When I am multiplying this 11 into 45 into 45, I will get 22,275 divided by 28. Again, when I am dividing, I will get a 795.53 centimeter square. Please do the calculations in your notebook, multiplication and divisions and all in the rough column. Therefore, area of the sector is equal to 795.53 centimeter square. Thank you.